Kristen here with Cora Sue's Cozy Castle. I am bringing you today my pantry organization, which is the store right behind me, and I'm super excited. I love the way it turned out, and I can't wait to start showing you guys what all I've done. My camera angle got a little bit off, so I didn't get to show you guys as much of the putting back phase as I wanted to, but you'll get the idea with the video. And obviously it might be boring to some people to see it get put back together. So anyway, I do not want anyone to think this is going to be a beautiful reveal. I don't have little name tags and beautiful jars and beautiful organizer baskets. I just have plain old plastic, just not very pretty, but it's very functional. And I tried to group things as far as the categories of items: breakfast foods, snack foods, the baby items, baking, cooking, and things like that. So it's very functional. I would love for it to look pretty. I enjoy so much watching videos where the ending reveal is just this gorgeous looking pantry. I mean, yes, that's all I can really say is I love those videos. But for us and my family, those types of final products just would not hold up and just would not work for us. So this is just an everyday pantry organization video just to motivate you. If your pantry's a hot mess, if it looks like a bomb went off in there, maybe this video will motivate you to get up on off that couch and start to organize and get it straightened up. Because if I can do it, guys, you definitely can do it. So hopefully that's what this video does. That's what I want this channel to be about. If you're new here, please subscribe. It's free, and I do lots of different videos on cleaning, organizing, day in the lives, shopping hauls, because, well, let's be honest, I've got a shopping addiction. I love Pottery Barn. That's a huge thing. So I'm going to have a lot of upcoming videos with new furniture in our new house and decorating. I am waiting on 2 pillows to come in. I will do a front porch tour. Gosh, I can't ever talk in these videos. I always get tongue-tied. Look, see, I can't even say that. Anyway, so if you're new here, check out my other videos, and I would love to have you on board. This helps me so much with my anxiety and depression, being here alone during the day by myself. It just helps to get my mind motivated and not be going, I feel this, I feel that. Oh, I've got this, I've got that. Because that's honestly, guys, on a not so funny note, that's seriously what I do. So this has helped very, very much with that. So I am going to just pan over and start the organizing, and then the ending part, I'm just gonna kind of go through just a voiceover and just kind of show you guys how it turned out. But I will end this part of the video and say, I hope you guys have a blessed day. I hope if anybody's watching this that I helped make you feel maybe a little less lonely for the day, like a lot of these women have here on YouTube. So I will see you guys in the next one. Have a blessed day, and that's about it. Bye. Oh man, please no judgments, but this pantry was a hot mess. It was so bad. I had things everywhere. There was absolutely no organization. I didn't know where anything was. So it turns out so much better, but here it is in all of its messy glory. gotten everything out of the pantry. I have tried to put this, it's supposed to be like a liner so that you can put things on those types of open shelves. Let me just say, I think I just need wood shelves because this, it's crap. So I am going to continue. I've got some, you saw me pull out some organizing bins, and over here organizing bins. So right now I'm going to try and make everything in the organizing bins to go back into the pantry. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm opening up the door. I'm ready to show you guys how it turned out. I'm sorry I didn't get too much footage of putting it back together, but I'm so happy with the result. I mean, I can see where everything is. I have a place for everything. I grouped it based upon like cereals at the top, like you can see, the teas, any extras. And I grouped it for like baking items there. I did a snack side, which is there. You drop down, and this is like Jensen's baby area, canned goods, along with like powdered items, and cooking, like dinner foods there. And come over, that's a breakfast basket, a sandwich basket. And then behind everything, I've kind of stored like extras for later. And then I have spices. I want to get a spice rack, and there's little Cora Sue's food. And at the bottom is a plastic bin for our bird food. We keep that sealed. And then I will have another basket in there for recycling. But it just turned out so much nicer. I just feel so organized now, and I just love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this again. Have a very blessed day, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Much love, Kristen.